Meaning of dirt poor.
Dirt poor.
Dirt poor.
Dirt poor.
Dirt poor. The term dirt poor is an idiomatic expression used to describe extreme poverty. It implies that a person or community has no material possessions or resources to sustain their basic needs, such as food, shelter, and clothing. The phrase originated from the idea that dirt is the cheapest and most abundant natural resource that can be found anywhere, and therefore, someone who is dirt poor has no other assets or riches to their name. In short, dirt poor means being in a state of absolute destitution with little hope of improving one's circumstances without outside help.